the I will say is as Hex Jesus, the community has sort of forgotten how to use Hex basically already. No one's really outside of maybe some guys doing some monthly stakes. No one's really been making any stakes at all or doing anything. Mostly emergency unstakes on both sides. Like I've seen people emergency unstake on the P Hex side just because they just want some cash, I guess, or whatever, right? I
Well, think
mean, like
about it.
you know,
It's an extreme, uncertain time that everyone's in the Hex ecosystem at the
right,
moment, right?
right,
Like nobody knows what the fuck's gonna happen. There was just a bug on Pulse X. That could just alone just cause people to panic. Not to mention the volatility that they're having on both of the hexes, right? EHEX made a new low. PHEX, if you want to take into account what Hex has done in the past, PHEX is low value as well, right?
right.
Pulse X is below sac rate. Pulse Chain is getting close to going below sac rate for just the 10,000 to one, right?
Right, right.
A lot of the bigger guys are still up massively. But yeah, I mean, a lot of people are scared, and rightfully so. They start emergency unstaking, like it's just natural, right? It's a time of uncertainty, so is what it is.
So that's your side, Dylan. So let's hear Bucks. So because obviously you guys differ somewhat, so I'd love to hear it.
Yeah, so I could talk about this for a very long time, but I'll try to just give the kind of most important reasons.
Sure.
And I guess before I say anything, I'll point this out because otherwise people will get angry with me. I've maybe sold over 100 million EHEX in the past few weeks.
Oh, my heart.
Yeah.
No. Well, look,
Um,
and I also want to say one
so
point as well. Like
yeah,
that's okay because that's your stuff. It's just I just don't like the
yeah.
fudding campaigns that people be doing.
No,
So yeah,
but yeah, people will point out, oh, he's a hypocrite. He did this. Oh, okay, that's fine. I'm going to say it up front. And then there's a lot of self-interest in these people that say PHEX only,
right,
and I guess I anticipated that to an extent. And you think about it psychologically, if I'm a PHEX holder,
right.
and I convince everybody to buy that PHEX is the only one, I'm effectively 2xing my bag,
Yep,
right,
yep.
at the expense of these other guys. So you have to be very careful when you listen to people. They're all conflicted basically, and like most people just talk their book, whatever is good for them, right? You see it again and again. Oh
Absolutely.
hey,
Self interest, man.
buy
What are you talking about, man?
buy Pepe, buy this. I think this one's the next 10,000 X gem. It's like that all that means is that guy fucking bought this thing before you did, right? So just whenever people have these arguments, actually make them make an argument,
Right.
right? Not a religious sermon about what's right or wrong, but actually make them make an argument. Now, in my mind, the way I see Pulse Chain is as a tumor on the ass of Ethereum. It is a tumor that is feeding off of Ethereum, right?
Yeah.
And this has nothing to do with our bags. What's good for Dylan or me or you?